Anoche le di a Melissa y anoche yo solo saco.
I don't know what he's saying right now.
Yo, bro, I went to the 40 spot the other day.
You did what?
Yeah, to the 40 spot. I don't know why, bro. My shit be itching. You think that's normal though? It's normal though? Yeah, some white shit's coming out too. I don't know. What do you think it is? You think I'm sick?
Yeah, bro, stay out the 40 spot, bro. Go to City MD, bro.
CDMP? Urgent care?
Yeah, bro.
You think I need that?
You definitely do.
Nah, I think I'm good, gang. I need to go back to the 40.
It be hot when you piss, like.
Yeah, that shit be burning.
And she flip that shit.
Don't tell me that's gay, because the Wall Street just said it's crazy.
I got you. Step out of the car for me.
Zoom in your niggas. Yo, zoom in that nigga. Yo, bro, I know he's freezing right now. Don't get warmed up by the exhaust. Come back.
Yo. Primera gente que yo veo que le da psicote.
Yo!
Yo, my son say it's cold and you can still smell his feet. Shit crazy.
Nah.
And he
You
got
gotta get that checked out.
Shit stink.
Smells like nachos.
Not DCT, bro.
Hey, yo. Was you at a garbage truck?
Nah, this got broke. This broke.
No. Opener. Can opener.
My son over there, sardine can.
Step back.
Gotta be careful.
Look, you already started with his bullshit already.
Then you gotta clench your butt with this nigga around.
Hey!
Who's gay?
Yeah,
We scared of you, nigga?
Yeah, this is the nigga that be walking around with his ass out, bro.
You be watching.
No, I know.
Yo, how you know?
I got a picture of this nigga
Oh, you got a picture?
behind this nigga Cherry.
Why he got a picture of me naked on your phone?
No,
Oh, how-
a
we got it. We got it. On your hard drive?
behind Cherry.
USB?
No,
Where you got it?
I don't got that shit no way, brother. I just saw it on Instagram, bro. Niggas posted your OnlyFans link.
You got an OnlyFans?
Mind your business.
Alright, going on.
Nigga weird.
Yo, he got one of those. Look.
Oh, you doing the
No. Look what he got.
facelift?
Look what he got.
Boys, I know where he
Yo,
going.
look what he got. Look. No. Take it off and show it to the camera.
Hey, yo.
Look what he got.
What I got?
Yo.
My son got that butt
My
plug.
son-
Hey, yo.
Some didn't even get it. Listen to that.
Y'all niggas is.
Y'all see this and
Yo,
think
go like
bad
this, go like
things?
this, go like this.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Wait, let me see some shit. Yo.
He's like, he touched me.
That shit clean.
That's what Ratatouille be cooking you and
Yeah, I
shit.
ain't gonna lie, nigga. The rats is living here. Where you park this shit at?
Who rats is living? I ain't this nigga.
Got money for headlights, but he don't got money for intakes.
Who said I paid for the headlights?
So you stole it?
Nah, like it was a gift. You never know.
Step out of the car for me.
They don't sell a cone. Just change the cone.
Nigga, you told me not to get these shits.
Who the fuck told you that?
You.
What was
Nigga trying to fucking crank me. Nigga told me to get RK or fucking some other show. Project Gamma, that's what it was.
this?
Nigga trying to crank me.
Nigga try to make you.
That shit 4 blocks away.
I be seeing niggas get Project Gamma,
Nah,
though.
I did tell him to do it one time right, because that's something you buy one time, that's it.
Bro, you know you want some.
I don't eat them
Stop
shits.
acting like you don't want.
You don't eat it behind closed doors.
Alright, come on to the back.
Hey, nah, we acting like these headlights about to install themselves. Yo, let's get this.
Wait, what time the mechanic get here?
Oh, right. Gotta call him. Hold
Yo,
on.
sweet, who the fuck is these two niggas?
We the valet, nigga.
It's two fucking primos.
That's fucked up. That's racist.
Nigga, that's fucked up. We got a primo in here. He do his job really good.
Yeah, I know you do your job really good, primo.
Now I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about primo.
I don't want to hear about primo.
Primo be doing some shit to him, that's why.
Look, see that car? Primo.
Nah, yeah, that shit,
That
been
shit
for a
got
minute,
duct
I ain't
tape
gonna
on it.
lie.
Just get spot plug.
Primo and Essex.
Primo and Essex. Nigga, and no matter.
What the fuck?
Yeah, he's about to get blocked.
That's what you watching, bro? Flame match?
Where the flames start. 15 feet later, what do you think is happening?
Wait.
It beats up your valve seats, it beats up your valves, it beats up your rings, it beats up the piston.
So my shit is good. Before we take it off, let's try it out.
Oh yeah, that shit don't turn on.
You going home without a headlight, you still getting paid. Connected.
Oh!
Nah, they got this nigga right for the first time. It just came off.
No, it didn't.
You gay, nigga trying to feed me. I don't want that shit. That's
he's
why.
a fat-ass,
That's
dry-ass
what's
cookie.
wrong with y'all niggas, bro. Y'all
I'm
niggas
good.
sit here and work on cars and just eat, bro. That's why you got that fucking gut.
My car's still running.
My
car
car
runs
got
too.
money and we can afford food.
Yo,
I can't say that word on YouTube.
I bleep shit out. I'm good
I
at
got it
it.
right here.
yo. What you got? 50 cent chips?
I just paid
Broke. You broke. I got a 50
And
cent,
you
nigga.
got no bed.
Who?
And you got more cookies in your pocket, fat ass.
Exactly, because we got money, nigga. I bet you live in the project. How about that?
Nah, why he playing with you?
I don't.
that was a whole bro. He's like,
You got an M5, but yeah, but you don't pay rent.
I don't.
Come on, Poppy, I know ya.
Bono.
Where you live at?
I'm his neighbor.
Yo, I know this.
fucking.
Nah, don't switch languages. What the fuck?
Niggas ain't got pee in the elevator.
Yeah, I know he. I know he said that. I've never done that a day in my life.
In the staircase?
Nigga lying.
I've pissed in the staircase before.
Nigga, you did that?
Yeah, nigga.
What the fuck? I ain't never did that.
You ain't had to pee at
Our staircase?
Yes.
So you do live in the
Nigga,
project?
nigga, we have a backyard with trees
where
and
is
dirt.
He know where it's at.
I don't fucking know where it is.
Yes, you do.
He does live in the project, right?
Huh?
He lives in the project, right?
Go the fuck.
You not going to, don't shake your head, yes. You know we
he
not the
probably be on
project.
the ones by here, by Fontaine and...
He only defended him because he's his
Cause I
neighbor.
live there. If I ain't live there, go ahead. Fuck that.
I'll show you my house with my beautiful driveway, bro. This nigga's a cop.
This is the one we have in the driveway like this. You gotta park your car like that.
You got it.
You don't get no oil. Yeah, but it's by the project. Look.
I don't know what he just said. He got mad cookies in his mouth.
You say you want to put something in your mouth.
But you know what's so funny? Every video these niggas bring this shit up. There's not been one video a nigga ain't mentioned this nigga being a pescatarian, son.
Yo.
You know who was talking about that shit, bro?
Nigga Ed say you not a man.
Lennon Ant was talking about that shit when he was in NC. Nigga said I'm not a man because I don't eat fucking steak.
You know you put
Point. Got point.
I
You
ain't
fish?
Yeah, pescatarian.
Baltimore!
The incredible Batiman.
Nigga trying to give me fucking, what was it, Big ZD?
My mom made baked ziti. What the fuck?
What's wrong with that?
That's what I'm saying.
Never had big
No,
ziti?
I don't eat fucking meat.
Eat this stick, nigga!
You about to do it too.
Step back, nigga.
He turned around through the check. This nigga's gay.
He's scared for his life.
Yeah, he's been
You gotta be
dead.
careful with this
You
nigga.
can't close your eyes. You
Hey,
don't
I don't know. What is this?
Bolt. Imagine.
Oh, you tried to take out the highlights before?
Wow.
Sure. Don't lie to me.
Sure to God.
This shit is loose.
That us?
Don't lose.
Whoa. I lied. This how to get repaired. This side.
Yo, Mike.
Yo,
They try to do it. They couldn't take it out. They bring it to us.
it'll be like that. That's all right.
If this motor doesn't turn on after,
Wait, huh?
you know it's not my fault.
My son already waited one.
I thought y'all supposed to be like reliable, good, like I got recommended to come here and shit like.
I haven't fucked anything up yet. What the fuck?
This defender jackass.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing wrong with the bumper.
Nah, the bumper right here. And then we went to the takeover.
Take this. Take this.
I love tapped a Volkswagen right here.
Take this. Oh, it's another German.
No, I don't want that. I'm good.
Take it, bro.
I gotta take it. You
Bro,
forcing me to
take-
eat? What the fuck? This
Nah,
ain't bitty
make-
shit.
Hey,
Anyways.
your friend just get a new M5 bumper, bro.
Alright, now here's the thing though.
This is an M5 bumper?
Nah, niggas don't be jacking it. I don't want to become one of them niggas, bro. Like,
I'll make it known.
see?
Don't do that,
You
man.
see? Like, and I seen a nigga do it. The fitment looked terrible. Like, from the side, I looked at this shit. I said, oh, hell no.
Everything is different.
I mean, look. If these headlights look good, I wouldn't care about this.
Indian, bro. He take offense to that shit.
Ooh,
You Indian?
West Indian?
Where's that from?
You don't know what a West Indian is?
Nah.
That's like
West
Trini.
niggas. Yo, West niggas.
Oh, is that who?
Trini.
Oh, sand niggas. Not bad.
saying niggas, that's what he said?
I've never heard that slur a day in my life. What the? Nigga said sand niggas. You talking about like the beach?
Does it Indian niggas like from India?
I have too much fun in this shop, son.
You see where his downpipes took 8 hours?
I'm not laughing with you, bro. I'm not gonna get canceled with you, bro.
So we're gonna have to take it out?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. So, yo, bro. We're gonna have to charge you for taking the bumper off.
Word?
Yeah, no lie. Yo, wait, bro. Customer's right there. He's watching us.
On camera too.
Fuck that nigga, bro.
You paid for this?
He stopped paying a long time ago.
Nah,
Yeah.
that's crazy.
Pretty much.
You got insurance? You got insurance?
Yeah.
How long you got this car?
A year and a half.
Oh, that's crazy. That shit never
What you had
happened.
before this?
A Honda.
Oh.
Yeah, I was one of y'all. Come on.
Yo,
Y'all Honda Accord niggas.
that never happened. That never happened. Usually they just take it out of the dealer. Next day they cancel the insurance and they just throw fake plates on it. And they put downpipe tunes and the police take the car away from them. They kill the niggas too.
We doing a lot of talking. What the fuck are we doing? What are we doing?
I don't even know what I'm.
Wait, where's the mechanic at? What time he's good?
Nigga, you're the mechanic.
Oh shit, I forgot about it.
Yo, I'm gonna go double slot.
We're gonna take lunch break.
Nigga, y'all just ate mad cookies.
That's not lunch.
Nah, chill.
What's up with that?
They got gag reflex.
Hey, Joe, what the fuck? Like, you just proved to them the gay
They got a red
shit.
flag. They got the game.
You know what's crazy? This is not gonna fit.
Why?
From the back.
Yeah, this is not gonna fit. I ain't gonna lie. See how it comes back? It's not supposed to ricochet back.
Step back.
They bullying you. Yo, they bullying
We
you, bro.
accept you for who you are.
Yo.
What those are?
Are these niggas certified? Yo, work. Yo, a nigga try to get angles and now he's recording with
Yo, that shit's not gonna fit, bro.
GG's.
No, you're doing it wrong. Take him off.
Oh yeah, you gotta do the reveal.
Nigga, fuck you.
What the fuck? I'll be honest, you like him? You like him?
I mean, it's alright.
Yeah.
You good?
Yo, get that.
You need a bed. Where the nigga bed at?
Wow, that nigga needs some Mucinex, nigga. And 3 days old.
Coronavirus. Whoa.
Oh, and they work. That's just like.
Uno, dos, tres. Wait.
I think it's 6. Nigga, what the fuck did you just do?
Oh.
No, they don't turn up.
What are you trying to do?
You better look at that direction, but that shit is not working.
Nigga, he's not clicking it the right amount of times. He's just clicking the click.
What's supposed to happen?
Supposed to turn yellow.
But you know what it is, too? I think you... The fuck was that?
Do it 7 times.
Nah. You know what it is? I think it's some shit. Let me ask the Chinese lady real quick. Oh, that shit look ass.
Nah, yeah.
Yo, what the fuck is that?
Oh, wait, now it's getting yellower a little bit. It gotta warm up. Like,
My son trying to justify what he paid.
It's man light in here, bro.
nah, I probably,
Nah, it's going thing. It's going,
Oh, that shit
This nigga praying.
better than your shit.
Every time you turn on the highlight, that should be like, you Bluetooth device is connected.
He's trying to clown
Yo,
my
you
shit.
gotta pay for the monthly subscription so you stay yellow.
Yo, you got turn signals? Let me make sure you got that shit because I don't think you paid for that. Look, turn signals, look.
I don't hear no indication on.
Nigga, he's doing that with the high beam.
You think I don't know? I'm waiting for him to actually do this shit.
It just doesn't work for real. That turn signal doesn't work. Look, I'm putting it on.
I don't use them anyway. Fuck it.
Beamer shit.
Beamer.
Okay, shit. Look my phone right there.
Show-
Say hi to the camera.
Sup.
They said Ice looking for you. Wait, why he running?
Yo, he got the 3+3. Yo, show him the 3+3.
What?
Just show him his shit.
What? What? Yo.
I'm not gay. Get away from me.
What the fuck?
Oh, he's walking out.
Let me get this right here.
You
Yo,
heard me?
what the fuck you? What
They
you pointing
like
at?
that
The bar?
Yeah, the crash.
Brother, worry about your own crash. Ooh.
They both yellow.
No.
Yeah. Well, hold on. This is loading.
It's warming up.
Nigga said it's low.
There you go. Ooh, get. I mean, nice.
Yo, put the high beam.
One
Turn
more
them
time.
off. Off. Completely.
It's off.
You sure?
Cook. They don't turn off, brother. They gonna know when you in your car.
Yo, listen, the Chinese got me right. That's not hate. Alibaba.
Stop touching shit, bro.
Yo, this is my belongings, man. Over here kicking shit.
Say that to me?
Nah, yeah, I think this
My friend, you need a new front bumper.
I do.
You need a new car.
I hit right here and I hit right here.
So you just be macking your shit for
No,
fun?
I didn't Mac.
What the fuck you looking at?
What they got going on right now?
Yo, bro, you want me to finish? Get this nigga away from me. Hey, yo!
Nigga said finish him. Wow.
Finish the fucking car, bro.
My son is kidding.
Yo,
Oh,
back
hands
up, bro.
I saw him with the.
Shit got a titty, son.
Who else is a menace to society? Exiting like this. Look.
That's you?
Yeah.
Who gave you the keys?
Huh?
Who gave you the keys?
You don't have me on Instagram, right?
I do.
They give me the keys
Yeah,
for fun.
that's the problem. I don't know why niggas keep giving you the keys.
Yo, bro. I hate to work on 540, bro.
You don't got my main page?
I think I have both.
Yeah, only.
Nah, I just made mine like not
Oh.
too long ago. 'Cause my other shit got
Yeah.
deleted.
You don't got his page? Only fun?
You serious about that?
Huh?
You serious about that?
It's only 3 inches. You're not even missing out.
Hey, fucking yo.
Oh, you do got me. Nice.
Yeah, you just don't use them.
Nah, I do use
Nah,
that.
nah, nah.
My work page is the one I don't use. I better be on that.
Yeah, you know what I hate? Bikes and cars. Oh.
Who says that?
Crazy.
You calling me racist?
Yeah, I didn't know that the other
Yeah,
day.
yesterday was Martin Luther King Day.
That was not yet.
That was not yesterday.
Oh,
Today's not Monday?
Nigga, today's Wednesday.
yeah, we're cooked.
Yo.
Where's Chico de Mayo?
Niggas was banging the fuck out this. Look at this shit. Shit got
Yo, you heard?
separation.
Yo, Mike. You listening to this nigga? He said that he got his shit.
What?
Yo, bro.
Wait,
Yeah, I gotta show you something.
bro, I
See
thought
this
that was
shit
a
right
BMW
Put the
key.
key in, right? Look. It's not gonna turn on, right? Come see this.
Maybe we could pick this shit up and break this.
Come see this. Look, so normalmente, ¿cómo tú prendes un carro?
Turn the key. Jail.
It's
That shit
3,000.
is a fucking Johnny.
Nigger. Can I take your bullshit out, please? I want to put this shit in. I want to go home.
Bullshit.
He say he's slime, but he really not. Wiping his nose, well I know it's not. I know who real and who really not. Yeah, he kept on talking till he ain't no bot. No, I don't fight nobody. I don't know who been listening, so I just can't be a lie. Bro, keep a knocking aside. He never listening, or for that yucky he fly. Feel like I'm high on top. Say he been feeling my vibe. Well, sorry I'm not. Feel like I'm high on top. I miss my niggas that's gone, and some on the ride.